The LCM of two numbers is 182 and their HCF is 13. If one of the number is 26, find the other. In this question, we are provided with the LCM of two numbers, that is least common multiple, and their HCF, that is highest common factor. And we have to find the other number because one of the number is already given to us. Let us assume that one of the number is x and the other one is y. We have to find the value of y. Let's go ahead and put the values provided in the question in the formula. As we already know, LCM into HCF is equal to product of both the numbers. Uh, the LCM is 182 here and the HCF is 13. And the product of x and y is 26 into x, as we have to find the value of x. After cross multiplying, we found out the value of x, that is equal to 91.